Are you tired of crafting rockets in Minecraft? Follow the steps in this tutorial and you'll have a contraption that crafts rockets for you. First, place down an auto crafter and put 3 stacks of sugarcane in the grid box. Make sure to close the unused boxes. This will produce your paper. Next, skip a block and rotate counterclockwise and place your second auto crafter. Put a stack of gunpowder and a stack of paper and close out all unused boxes. This will craft your rockets. Now place a hopper going into that second crafter and place your chest to collect your rockets. Now directly behind the first auto crafter, place an observer so the arrow points into the crafter. Place a comparator on top of the observer and left of the observer. Now place a building block behind the second auto crafter with the comparator on top. Come back around to the side of the observer and place your second observer so the red dot is facing you. Go around to the right and place a hopper going into the comparator and place your final comparator in front of the building block. Place a temporary block in front of that comparator and place a hopper going into that temporary block. Break that temporary block and place a hopper going into that hopper you just placed. Now jump on top of the hopper and place a building block on top of the observer and on top of the fourth comparator. Place a redstone torch on the building blocks here and here. Now shift and place your redstone dust on this hopper before putting your temporary block in that hopper. Once you've done that, head back to the front and place a hopper on each auto crafter. This next part, you can use a chest or barrel. It's up to you. I'm using barrels for this tutorial, and just place them on top of your hoppers. First, fill the right side with stacks of sugarcane, or you can even connect it to your sugarcane farm and never have to worry about loading sugarcane ever again. Finally, fill the left barrel with stacks of gunpowder. And if you've done everything correctly, this contraption will automatically craft rockets in your game. Woo! That was a lot harder to explain than it was to build. Like, comment, and subscribe if you found this helpful, and don't forget to share this video with a friend.